Hello everybody, my name is Joel Fernandez and today I'm going to talk about my friends in the activity in the Unit 1 in English 6. Okay, I'm going to start saying that I really don't have any friend when I was a child. I was very I don't know unsocial or well I always stay at home. And when I was a teenager, I began going out in in a soccer field. I met Mauricio when I were playing a soccer game, and we start talking to, and well, we began in close friends. Even he is my god. He's my my son's godfather, and we are godfather. So in the university, we I have a lot of friends. They are my friends today. They were very important for me and my formation. For example, he's David. David is in France now. Beso is very funny. George, um, Urani, Vanessa is in Medellin now, and Karen. After that, I met Edani. Edani was another person in my life, very important. She was a close friend. Hey, surprise! Edani and Mauricio get married. So they are my godfather and godmother, and they are very important in my life. I really appreciate them. Well, now talking about social networking, I'm going to show you. For example, in Facebook, I have 506 people that are my friend, social network. I don't know. In Twitter, I follow 518 people and 64 people follow to me. On Instagram, I follow 318 people and 97 people follow to me. So, I think that's all because I really don't have any friend that with a siren adventure or something like that. So, that's all. Thank you for listening to me. I see you next time. Bye bye.